I am a dinosaur with my...
I'm a bee. Click, click, click. Our animals are animals. Click, 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 click.
I am a small dinosaur. Roar, 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 roar. I'm a monkey and a gorilla. Can't you see what I'm doing? Crawling up the ramp on the stick.
And I am a Tragabone.
I'm a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Roar! Roar!
Hey, I am hungry. When are we gonna eat some food? I don't know.
Nay, I'm hungry. When are we gonna get some food? 'Cause I'm starving. There's no food around this hotel house. I'm getting kind of tired, so can I take a nap? But can you stand for a little bit and let's go find some food? 'Cause I am a dinosaur. Grr, grr, grr.
Everyone on my lead. It is time to do what we do the best.
You do say you don't wanna say, but you do say that's what bothers me.
Everyone with the horse. Now it's time to find some food. Now we are to lead zebra and dinosaur. Everybody up. It is time before the Etani come out. Okay. It is time to roar. Well, I was trapped like a nay-nay, but roar, roar, roar acts about me. What do we do? 'Cause we are types of animals, like types of animals. Everybody up your feet, up on your feet, and time to go get some food. Hey, I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with my long neck, but I eat plants from a tree. Or my neck is tall. Everybody up! Raptor Planet! On my feet! Back on my feet! Yeah! Tragabone! Oh man, I don't know why these stupid animals are making too much noise. I need my net to catch them. My net going to work this time. And the yell. It's enough, you ragged retarded animals. You need a timeout. Now I need to catch you, and I'm arresting your spirit self over your Tillis Argos pathetic fools. You are arrested for that. I'm gonna catch you.
Attack!
Hiya! I got you all. You are arrested. I am gonna listen to myself to catch you, and I'll not talk anymore. 'Cause the bucket right now! Oh, what's happening? What's happening? I guess I passed out in the restaurant. Excuse me, Baba, are you okay? Why passed out? Hey, Max, who are you to know my name? I passed out by these animals. I hope. I want one of Duke. And do you know where Kitchen at? Kitchen? Oh, she's bought. Wait, Mickey, stay with me, Mickey.